going fast down the hill.
We're going fast! Oh, I need to go far. I need to go far. Woo!
Here we go.
We're going so much fast!
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Oh. I want to walk first.
Why?
Because I don't want to go down that when it's bumpy again.
Oh, why? You've done it plenty of times on bumpy trails.
Oh, I hope there's no water on the way here.
No, there's a river at the bottom we're gonna go to. That's what I wanted to come take you to. It's so pretty down here. I want to go camping.
Yeah, down here.
There's like a bridge and everything, a little dam.
Oh my gosh, stop. Okay, stop it. No, it's not. It's bumpy. I don't. Oh, yes, we
You've
can.
been here before?
Okay, stop it now.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
We're
Hit
going
the
in the river.
brake.
We're going in the river.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Stop. Stop. Stop being a baby. What do you think?
I'm gonna go at the end.
Yeah, I know. Let's go check it out. Well, you gotta watch out for snakes, though.
I'm not going in it, though. My.
Here. You go over there on the rock. I'm gonna get a drink.
How do we turn this thing on?
It's already on. Clean it.
Here we are at the river.
Look at look. Come here.
What is it?
Something ate a whole turtle.
Oh.
Yeah, so be careful. There's some big animals around here. Might be a big snake.
Look, guys. It's not gonna die. Look, it's at 100. Oh my gosh. We are at the river. So.
Isn't this place cool?
I'm gonna go in already.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm ready to go into that yet. You go swimming in there?
Yeah.
You're not scared? What if you see? Everybody's scared of snakes.
What if you hold my hand? I will be
Oh, if I hold your hand, who's gonna hold my hand?